I remember going for these actually not 2, 3, I went for like a million Hindi TV serial auditions, and every time I was rejected because they just kept telling me that आप बहू रानी नहीं लगती हैं, आपको vamp का role करना चाहिए. I'm still auditioning for parts because they don't have the guts to tell a star kid, please audition for the same part, you know. I just feel like that happens a lot in our lives. I don't even understand why filmmakers can't think otherwise. Why can't they do 10 girls, 1 boy?
Yeah.
Do it now. If you have the guts. They don't have that kind of guts.
So hi Ahana, how are you?
I'm good, Sheena. Thanks. How are you?
Welcome to the Girl Club of Bollywood. What did you do in your lockdown time?
I guess what everybody was pretty much doing. I was cleaning, cooking. I had become the bai of my house. I was locked down with my sister. She's a major fitness freak. She's a perfumer, but she's majorly into fitness. And I spent a lot of time at her house. So about for 3 months, I was completely put into this fitness regime where I had to wake up at 6 o'clock, do a HIIT training or do some weights, whatever weights that she had at home. Sometimes we used to pick up water bottles. We used to pick up my nephew, who's 4 years old. So we were doing all sorts of weight training. And then I started running the minute like a little ease was, announced where cyclists could go out. I started cycling. So I used to cycle all the way to Haji Ali or sometimes to Fort and come back. And I started running. So today I ran a 15 kilometers, which was my target for the whole year.
I know that your journey has been, one which is super inspiring, from the start. So would you like to point some of the struggles?
Sheena, honestly, it's not as difficult as one may try to make out what it is. Yeah. Or, I've just made the best of whatever I've had in front of me. I've never been too greedy to get too much. I've been very grateful to everything around me people who have given me work, the mediums that I have worked in. So therefore I began my journey with theatre. I started my career, you may say Bollywood, in television, So I made my debut opposite Mr. Bachchan. I did a lot of independent films. I hosted Pro Kabaddi. I did a TV serial called Agent Raghav. I did independent films. I did an independent film called Lipstick Under My Burqa, which became a commercial film. So, I never really was very picky, and I was never too choosy about, this is the only thing I want to do and this is all I want to do. And, I was never like that. So I think for me, that really has worked.
Yeah.
I think it depends upon what do you really want to do. And the one thing that I think I have, and I would like tell that to any young actor who's wanting to make a career in the film business, because it's very difficult, especially for women. You don't get the kind of roles you want. They don't write those roles for you. Every day is a struggle. Every day is a fight. Whether it's getting roles, because एक तो आप जो भी देखें फिल्में, उसमें मतलब 10 लड़के 1 लड़की होती है हमेशा. I don't even understand why filmmakers can't think otherwise. Why can't they do 10 girls, 1 boy?
Yeah.
Do it now. If you have the guts. They don't have that kind of guts. I just feel that because that's the problem. Primarily, that's why women are pitted against each other. That's why women become each other's rivals, because it just becomes like, अरे यार एक ही role है, अभी इस role के लिए I am also there, and I know there are 3 other girls who are like, contesting for the same role. So I feel, so it becomes too crazy. I think like the only thing that makes you stand out, at least in today's time and timelines that I've seen, is that people want capable actors. They want actors who can deliver, and they don't want to waste time over somebody who will not be able to deliver, because we are nowadays like a 50-day shoot has become like 25 days, that's like the corona. I mean, corona le rahe hain, lekin that's the crux of it. So I think like for me, what has always worked has been my training. I've been a trained actor. I have worked in every medium. I've dabbled in every medium, and therefore I feel like I'm adept to working in different forms, in different mediums, and different characters.
When it comes to auditions, when you're trying out in the industry or something, especially for the budding actors, they go for hundreds of auditions, and they lose hope that this is not working. Okay, maybe it's not for me. So at that time, I'm sure you would have also gone through like a couple of auditions, doing auditions, So would you like to tell us a bit about that?
I think my audition process is like, it never stops. I'm still auditioning, like even though I think I've managed to reach a certain point in my career where I think they should be offering me roles, I'm still auditioning for parts. Because they don't have the guts to tell a star kid, please audition for the same part, I just feel like that happens a lot in our lives, and I feel very angry about it at times, but I guess that's that's the nature of the job that I have taken. This is the path that I've chosen. I remember like when I was doing TV, because at that point of time when I started, there was only television and there was only films. And in films also there was like heroine ki behan, hero ki dost. Those are the kind of roles that were coming to me, because there was no role that was being written for women even at that time. And that time there was no OTT at all when I started out. I remember going for these 2-3, actually not 2-3, I went for like 1 million Hindi TV serial auditions, and every time I was rejected because they just kept telling me that आप वो बहू रानी नहीं लगती हैं, आपको vamp का role करना चाहिए, वो vamp वाला role. And I was just like it just didn't like it. I couldn't understand what was wrong with my acting, that I was not getting selected, or were they expecting something else from me? So it just never worked. And I just didn't understand. And I actually started thinking that maybe I'm really not a good actor. That you start questioning yourself. Ads also, I must have auditioned for like millions of ads, but I must have like done 5 in my entire career. Even today, I don't do ads because, but I've realized over a period of time, in hindsight, that it's not that. It's just that some people just look like characters, And I best fit in a space where there's a character as opposed to selling a product. I made my peace. I was like, maybe I'm just going to be doing endorsements, So you have to always think otherwise you'll go crazy in this industry. It obviously took me a long time to come to terms with the fact that I'm not doing anything wrong. It's just what is required in that space. I don't fit there. So thank God that I didn't fit into the television space. Had I probably done television, I would have probably like burnt myself out and not be able to do the kind of roles that I'm doing now. Or I would have become complacent. I would have just been like, okay, I'm making enough money. I've got a gaadi, I've got a ghar, I've got a bangla. Because you make enough money in television. Television really like floods you with money.
What comes into your mind when I say the word feminism?
Feminism?
Yeah.
What comes to my mind? I think equal opportunities.
Okay. Women empowerment.
Financial independence.
Nepotism.
Should not exist.
What comes into your mind when I say 2021?
2021. No corona.
If you could give one message to all those budding actors who are watching you today, what would that message be?
Just believe in yourself. Don't listen to what people have to say. And even if they say anything, slap that makeup on your face and get to work the next morning. Just grab whatever work you get with both hands. I know so many actors who don't have jobs right now because, it's difficult. It's a difficult time for everybody. But, don't listen to anyone. Train yourself. Whenever you get time, train. Like, I'm not saying physical training, like jaake pull-ups karo. I'm saying train, like work on your voice, work on your diction, work on your performance, do workshops, find somebody who you can do workshops with, continue working on yourself. I think that's the only way forward for actors. Yeah. In India, unfortunately, the only thing that people think training is like gym jao or body banao, ya washboard abs kar lo, which I think is not going to work in the long run, because even now like big film stars are looking at doing performances and looking at character roles, So I feel like for any budding actor, train yourself, be a trained actor, and you'll see a world of difference. Nobody can refuse you work if you're trained.
It was super fun talking to you, Ahana, and I hope that I can have a conversation with you in person very soon. Looking forward to that. And of course, I wish that you keep doing more and more fun projects, different kind of roles. And of course, you can keep inspiring and influencing all the girls, who watch you out there. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Hina. Take care. Hi, my name is Ahana. Please like, share and subscribe to Hoterfly and keep watching the Girl Club of Bollywood on Hoterfly.